Hi, I'm Clayton, a student at WVU Parkersburg. Today we're going to review how to access and view OLSIS. To find your ID to help you log in, type findmyid.wvup.edu into your search bar. Follow the prompts to view your default password. This is your date of birth using 6 digits. In your web browser, type wvup.edu to access WVU Parkersburg's website. In your banner along the top, click on the one that says OLSIS. Type in the first part of your WVUP email, excluding the wvup.edu. This will be your username. Log in using the default password assigned to you, then create a new password. After logging in, you will see a various amount of selections. Student profile. Here you can select the term you want to view. You can find your WVUP ID, personal information, graduation information, advisors, hours and GPA, registered courses, apply to graduate, academic transcript, my degree, and view your weekly class schedule. You are also able to view any registration notices and holds on your account. View grades. You can view your grades for each semester. View registration status. You can view if your status permits registration, when you can begin registering for classes, earned hours, and curriculum details. Register for classes. Here you can register for classes after meeting with your advisor and they unlock your PIN. You can also view your schedule and details. Browse classes. You can search for courses for each semester to determine if you are interested in taking them. View registration information. You can view your past, current, and future course schedules, which include the room number, start and end dates, and more. Browse course catalog. You can search for courses to determine if they are available in a specific semester. Academic transcript. You are able to view your entire academic transcript for WVU Parkersburg. Apply to graduate. Here you can apply to graduate with an associate or bachelor degree. Financial aid. View student requirements, financial aid offers, and accept/deny any grant/scholarships, financial aid history, resources, notifications, satisfactory academic progress, and a college financing plan. Account summary. View the balance on your account, past payments, and pay your balance. Account detail by term. View the balance on your account by term, past payments, and pay your balance. Account information. View past and current charges and payments on your account, and any deposits. And you can also pay your balances due. Personal information. Edit any personal information and view your ID number. Survey. Answer any surveys that might be available to you. National Student Clearinghouse. View enrollment information on file. Student loan deferment notifications, proof of enrollment, status of a transcript order, obtain an enrollment certificate, and order a transcript. Transfer course equivalencies. Determine which courses are transferable to a college of your choice.